Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these walking cat balloons. Seem pretty cool. So there's 8 of these in a pack, and it features aluminum. All right, they have these little strings here, and there's 4 of these orange kind of cats. And then we got these 4 gray ones too. All right, let's blow one of these up, shall we? And show you kind of what it looks like here. All right, well, we got them blown up here. So what's cool about this is they just have a little the valve right here. You just stick your little hose in there and you blow it up and then seal it. You just close and there's no problem, no air. Tight design here. It seems rather sturdy. They got these little legs on here. I just didn't have any helium to fill them up. You have helium, then they're going to stand like they're walking, and they have a little tag here. You can put like a little leash on here like this guy. So, kind of just put them on the floor here or whatever. So, like this, if you had helium, and then they would just pretty much just float there. Without helium, they just kind of sit there. So, still kind of sitting there like a cat, but pretty cool. That seem like they'll be pretty sturdy here. And you have, this is an 8-pack, so you got 4 of these little gray cats, and then 4 of the orange ones. So pretty cool little balloons here actually. And then they come with 4 of these little like leashes for them. Anyways, my friends, if you're looking for like a little cat party or something like that, some pretty cool little cat balloons if you're fans of the cats. This is a pretty neat little balloon here. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.